Go. Okay. 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 What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, John and Drinks. So tuturuan ko ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel, please click the like and subscribe button and let's make some cocktails guys. So for today guys, papakita ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng Appletini or Apple Martini. Ano ba ang Martini guys? Ang original Martini guys is merong gin, vodka, at vermouth. Maraming recipe for Martini guys. At isa to sa mga pinasikat na cocktail ni James Bond noon. Na hindi pa rin nila malaman kung kanino talaga ang may pinakamasarap na recipe for Martini. Tama ba yung sinabi ko doon? Ano ba yung sabihin ko? So ngayon, gagawa tayo ng Apple Martini or Martini with a twist. So yun guys, ang kailangan nating baso is cocktail glass or coupe glass. Lagyan natin ng ice. Kamay na yan. Lagyan natin ng tubig para lumamig. Pero para hindi kayo mahirapan, ilagay nyo na lang sa ref. Kung may space kayo sa ref. Itong cocktail na to is pwedeng shaken or stirred. Pero iba ang gagawin kong technique dito. The first ingredient is sugar. Ang gagamitin kong sugar dito is cinnamon syrup. Lalagay ko is half ounce. This is lime juice guys. So, pwede natin gamitin yung lime skin for garnish. Lagay natin guys is around half ounce or 15 ml. 15 ml. The next is apple juice guys. For apple juice guys, kahit anong klaseng apple naman pwede nyo gamitin. Yung powdered, yung box. And of course, is vodka. Tamang-tama siya guys sa vodka kasi ang vodka is tasteless siya, odorless, at colorless. Okay na okay ang vodka guys kung gagawin yung cocktail is more on fruits para mas ma-adapt niya yung flavor ng prutas kasi neutral lang ang lasa ng vodka. Ilagay natin is 1.5 ounce or 45 ml. All ingredients are in the shaker guys. Let's put some ice. Na to guys is hindi ko siya i-shake. Ang gagawin kong technique is throwing. Ano ba ang throwing guys? Ito ang technique na tina-transfer ko ang cocktail from here to the other tin to expose to the air and also less dilution siya. Hindi siya kasing intense ng hard shake. So, let's throw our cocktail guys. And tapon natin yung yelo sa baso. I-strain natin sa baso. Double strain guys. Finish. Islagyan natin ng lime zest. Pwede naman. Ba't ito ginagawa guys? Nakakadagdag to ng aroma. Especially pag nag-first sip kayo, makukuha nyo yung aroma ng lime. Let's put to the glass. And apple. There you go guys, Appletini. Subukan natin. Tananan, tananan, tananan. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, and if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Maraming salamat po, and see you in the next video guys. Cheers!